We're rocking and rolling. We're rocking and rolling and rocking and rolling. Right, everyone, come on now, hurry up. Christmas tree's on, the lights are flashing away there behind me. We're ready to give away 7 prizes, 7 winners tonight. It's a big one. Emily, straight one in. How are you, girl? What are you in for, Emily? Let me know. And then I can give you some, good wishes. Send the good wishes your way. James O'Connor, James, all the way from Australia, if it's the same James, is it? I think it is RB James, is down in Perth. How are you, James? Time difference, kind of morning time over there now. Shane Smith is here too. Patrick Feeney's the first one in with a wee comment there saying, well, Sammy. How are you, Patrick? How are you this fine Friday? Dan and Cole. How are you, Dan and Cole? John McCarthy's here. James says, how's me owl flower? Well, now I definitely know it's James in Australia because he always calls me owl flower. Well, angry Sally, says Peter Cranston. Peter Cranston's been watching my TikTok, I take it. Well, Sleepyhead says, Mr. Manure. How are you, Mr. Manure? No, I'm not so sleepy, actually. I'm feeling grand. I hope I get to sleep tonight because what tends to happen to me after these draws is I'm all revved up and then I don't get to sleep till 2 or 3 in the morning. Well, not 2 or 3, 1 or 2. Turkey's in. Well, sexy Sammy. Turkey, you've got it right by. Yup, Pierce, says Connor Taggart. How you getting on now, says John Maddenson. How are you, John? I'm getting on grand. Kieran Hickey is in. I tortured poor old Kieran Hickey today on the phone trying to get him to help me to lower the hitch for the 7,000. Got it in the end. Damon Kennedy's in with as usual. Hello, young Samantha. 10 a.m. here, Sammy Duck. I'm flying it. How are you? Hey, James, are you going to make it home for Christmas? James is in Perth in Australia and he's working on the mines, I'm guessing, by his photographs. And it'd be nice to see you home for Christmas, James. Brian Butler as well, Sammy. How are you, Brian? A very big hello to you. Evening, says Keith Whelan. Torin says, well, Sammy, how are you, Torin? And RJRE Robbie Kennedy in with the muscles Kennedy himself. When is the next Big Dog series coming out? Says Colin. We had the next the next Big Dog is in the process of being filmed. It takes a long time to get everything in order, but we are working on it. Big Dog episode 3 is going to be out hopefully by next week, but we are doing something very exciting here tomorrow, and I might be able to stick up some stuff on TikTok. We're kind of keep a QT, but sure, you know me, you can't keep it in QT. Ford support here, supporting all your Ford needs, says Kieran Hickey. Ford support. John Brennan, how are you doing? Hi Sammy, how's things from Bantry? There's John McCarthy is in County Cork. Pierce Louise McCullough, how are you, Louise? Ben McPhee is here. Bartek, how are you? Oh, I'm grand, in for the twin cam. Good man, John, that's going tonight. Sammy, still waiting on me jacket. Turkey. Actually, lads, on that note, we're going to be in the Balmoral next, was it Wednesday or Thursday, the 8th, whatever day the 8th is. We're going to be in the Balmoral. There's a wee winter show on there, thank God it's inside, and we're going to have a stand selling merchandise, so if anyone wants to come and meet us and buy some merchandise, we'll be there. Evening, Brian Fleming. Shane Russell says, hi Sammy, how are you, Shane? Send the twin cam to Arnie, says Dannon. Where's Arnie? Is that in Wales? I'm just going to guess Wales, Dannon. Twin cam, says Matthew Humphreys. Good man. How you know? Sammy says RW stickers on grand. Daryl McCrory's here too. Shane Dixon's here too. Did you find that third axle, says Brendan Manure. Brendan, I have something for you. Cheeky boots. If you were watching the live yesterday, I had a very hard time trying to understand axles and twin axles and tri-axles, but I have it now. James O'Connor says, I wish I could, but there's money to be made here still. I'm in New South Wales doing the harvest at the moment. Oh, good man. Took a break from the mines. Yeah, the mines is hard going on the mind, yeah, because you're stuck in the one place. But good man, James, if there's money to be made, you'll be there, me old flower. How's she cutting, Sammy? Good and sharp, Sean Caulfield. How's it cutting, Sammy? Any more 135 picks? 135 picks, says Henry Jack Allen. I'm not trying to think what the 135 is that we have up at the minute. I don't think we have a 135 at the minute up. Lucky Day competitions now taking turf as payment, says Kieran Hickey. Not true, Kieran. What the hell am I going to do with turf? I'm in Norway, says Damon, on holidays. I'm in Tromsø, nearly most northerly point. Good man. Are you watching is it the Northern Stars? Chris Brady's in. How are you, Chris? Hello from Wexford, says Killian. How are you? The Yellow Bellas. How's it going from Ballymoney? How are you, Adam in Ballymoney? Pierce Thornton for the win, says Connor Taggart. How are you, Ben McPhee? And Peter Cranston's cracking away there. Are you getting the draws going? Very impatient. Yeah, okay, Sarah. Yes, we are. We've got 7 draws tonight, so it is. I'm downloading the lists at the minute. It'll be probably another 60 seconds or so before I get them up and running and ready to go. Less talking, more raffling. Ryan Corsh feeling the same. Hiya, James Farrell. Well, we Sammy, says Brian Rice. Brian, long time no see. Lynn Reynolds has the fingers crossed. Hi there, Sammy, says John Brennan. How are you? So get the twin cam across to Dumfries in Scotland. John, very best of luck to you. Magic's in Mondello over the weekend, and M3 might be going to Mondello on Sunday. Anybody else going to Mondello on Sunday? Whoever wins this wee twin cam could take it to Mondello on Sunday and give her a wee spin if they've the ticket. But I think you've to have a ticket to drive it. Twin cam to Cavan House, says Torin. Twin cam would be put to use here. And Nina in North Tipperary says Renat. Yeah, very best of luck. Sammy and Tala Joyriders want the twin cam. Go on, Dean Collins, bye. Keep the fingers crossed. Hi, Sammy, how are you? Says Michael Gormley. I'm grand, Michael. Blair also saying, how are you, Sammy? I'm grand, Blair. Thanks. I'm just getting set up here. We're nearly ready to go. But another 30 seconds. Wish me luck, Sammy. I've got 4 tickets for the drone. Good man, Colin. You must be into your cinematography. Hi, Sammy from Emma and Seamus in Kilkenny. How are you, Seamus and Emma? You're very welcome aboard this Friday evening. Where is my good friend Peter Sands, says Daryl. I don't know, Daryl, shout out for Peter Sands, are you there? Would you send on some air fresheners there? Fair nice, to be honest, says Brian. Brian got himself a few air fresheners. Brian, come to Balmoral on next on the 8th. Twin cam to a tie, says RW Stickers. How are you, RW Stickers? There's our Maria Keenan. How are you? How's wee Sammy? How's things? Wee Moose. Good stuff. Any sign of my tax book for my TS, Sammy, says Mark O'Brien. Did you not get it sorted, Mark? With the wee angry faces. Mark, don't worry, we will be on it. If you're talking to the girls in the office, they're on it. They're on it. Give us a ring. Right, I think we're ready to go. Sorry, Divis Hoods have already claimed it, says Christopher. We shout out to the Tala Joyriders. Go on, Christopher. Divis is in Belfast, if I'm guessing correct. When's the wedding, says James O'Connor. Oh, you'll get the invite, James, don't worry. You'll not miss it. Loads more comments coming in there, guys. I won't be able to get through them all. Someone said I tried buying 4 tickets for the twin cam and it wouldn't let me pay with my 2 cards, says James. Oh, it's James over in Australia. James, that's strange. Always send the Facebook message a direct message, because it's being monitored all the time. The Facebook pages, so there'll be someone there at the end of the line to help you. Maybe it's because you're in Australia, James. It wouldn't accept the cards. We do PayPal, James. Maybe a better option for you. Go through PayPal and it should work that way. Right, Sammy, come on. We're racking on the bridge at Mondello. Oh yeah, says Magic. Yes, we're gonna rack all around this Magic in Mondello. I love to get the twin cam. Okay, I'm switching this around. We're gonna get a rock on. So 10 minutes past the 11, Friday the 2nd of December. Lads, it's Friday the 2nd of December. International Day for the oh my God, why can't I say that word? To abolish something, to abolish slavery. So yes, brilliant day today. Very good. Abolition. I can't say that properly. You try and say it, lads. It's harder to say. Right, here we are. We're in the Google number generator. Lads, this is the way we're going to do it. We're going to go the Dyson AirWrap first, then we're going to do the Apple Watch, then the 1K cash, then the Apple MacBook, then the drone, then the holiday to Mallorca, and last but not least, that lovely, beautiful wee twin cam. Right, who's that saying I'm shocked looking tonight? I'm only out of the shower and I've wet hair and me. Leave me alone, Declan. I'm not all deckied up. Right, we're going to go here with the Dyson AirWrap first. So I'm going to put 1 in the minimum and I'm going to put 597 in the maximum. And let's just rock on with this. Get a winner, 464. So let's go to my wee spreadsheet here, as you can see, and I'm going to move this camera a wee bit closer there now so you can see. So we're looking for number 464. 464, down a wee bit more, 464. Brian, come on, Brian, it's a job for you, boy. So number 464, Brian's going to have lovely hair all over Christmas, or maybe he's given it as a present to someone, but whatever way, it's yours, Brian, to do what you want with it, bye. And there you are. Let's move along quickly now. We're going to just put a couple of random numbers in here. As you can see, just throw on a few more zeros. I'm going to hit generate a few more times. Peter Blaney's there too. How are you, Peter? Right, we're going to move on to this Apple Watch next. So I'm going to put 1 in the minimum box, and I'm going to put 997 in the maximum box. 997. Let's hit generate, see who wins this one. Number 731. So number 731. Over to my wee spreadsheet now for the Apple Watch Series 8 Cellular. We're looking for number 731, 731, 73. Jesus, lads, now, come on. No one bought 731. With Joe Sheridan there close with 732. But we're going to have to go back, so watch the screen. And I'm going to hit generate 843 this time. Okay, so let's see if number 843 was a winning number. This is for the Apple Watch. If you've just tuned in, number 843 did not go. Oh, it did go. Sorry. Owen. Jesus, Owen, and I missed you there, boy. Okay, so Owen McGovern, I'm guessing that is. If you can see it there, Owen McGovern. Govern. Sorry, with number 843. Congratulations. 843. Just writing everything down so I have everything right. Okay, we're going to rock and roll on a wee bit more. Next coming up now is the 1K quiche. Who's in for the quiche, lads? This is the right time of year now to be buying tickets for quiche, or to be winning quiche. So I'm going to put 1 in the minimum box, and I'm going to put 997 in the maximum box. I'm going to hit this wee generate button, and we got number 47 for the quiche. This one's sold out, so we definitely have a winner first time around. Shouldn't have to go too far to find number 47. Paul Sweeney. Paul, you are 1K quiche richer with lucky number 47. 1K quiche is all yours. Congratulations. Right, moving along now to the Apple Macbook. Let's hit 0 a few times here, and we'll even Stevens everything out. Oliver Collins joining us. Kieran Hickey saying quiche bye. Okay, so Apple Macbook is next up, lads. We're going to put 1 in the minimum box. I'm going to put 897 in the maximum box. Let's hit generate. 332. So we're looking for number 332. I'll move this in a wee bit closer. 332 on the right hand column there is the ticket numbers. So number 332. Martin, good man, Martin, yourself. You are the winner of the Apple MacBook. Martin Gowan, if I'm pronouncing that right. I think I am. Gaughan. So with number 332. Martin Gowan, you are the winner of that Apple MacBook. Right, we're halfway there, lads. We've 4 done and 3 to go. So the drone is up next. I'm just hitting generate here a few times, as you can see. And then we go back to put 1 in the minimum box, and I put 997 this time, 997 in the maximum box. This is for the drone. Let's hit generate. 365. Well, that's an easy number to remember. 365, because 365 days in a year. 365. We're looking at the right hand column, and this is for the drone. And Gerald Coffee, good man, Gerald or Gerald? I think it's Gerald. It's a silent L, is it? Gerald Coffee, good man, Gerald Coffee. So with number 365 there, you have won yourself that drone buy, and it's all yours, and we'll be ringing you and letting you know. Okay, so holiday next, lads. This is the first of the big ones. So they've got this holiday to Mallorca going next. We're going to make someone a very, very lucky winner. Okay, so I'm going to put 1 in the minimum. I'm going to put 997 in the maximum, as you can see it there. I'm going to hit generate, and 184. So number 184 for this holiday, and we're looking at the right hand column. This is the ticket numbers. 184. Gina. Okay, Gina. That is yours. Gina McGoldrick, I'm guessing that is. There we are. Gina McGoldrick. Goldrick. Lucky number 184. There you are, Gina. You are going to Mallorca with whoever it is you fancy bringing with you. Okay, so we're going to hit generate here a few times. The big random numbers there in the Google random number generator. As you can see, every time it's landing on a different number. Let's get a few clears. Dan Mahan says, yeah, was only a couple of numbers away. Hard luck, Dan. Clear, bop, 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 says Ryan Core. Magic says, better go to sleep. No, not yet. Don't go to sleep yet now. Get the bags packed, says Peter. Yeah, Gina's on her way to Mallorca. Samantha, the Burger Kings serve monster with meals. Damon, I haven't a clue what you're talking about there. Okay, so let's see. Brendan Shanahan's in. How are you, Brendan Shanahan? You've just joined us in time for the twin cam draw. Clear 4H, says Kieran. And thanks very much. Better go to sleep. Right, there's clear twin cam. Sammy says RW stickers. Right, so that's 3 clears. I'm happy enough to go with that. So in the minimum box, I have 1. In the maximum box, I have 9997. So 9,997 tickets. Let's hit generate. And 3713, number 3713. Let's see if 3713 was a number that sold, lads. This didn't sell out, so we might have to go again. We might not. 3713, 37. Oh my God, John Doohan and Evan McGee, hard luck, because yous are either side. With 3712 and 3714. But that means, lads, we are gonna have to go again. So let's hit generate. 4718. So 4718. 4718. Let's have a look here. 4718. There we are. Shane. Good man, Shane Lyons. Shane. That's not Shane who won the big bundle away back in Shane Lyons won a big bundle way back a few months ago. I don't know if it's the same guy, but if it is, congratulations, no matter who you are, Shane. Congratulations, that twin cam is done. Ross is asking, is the twin cam done yet? Yes, Ross, you just joined us in time. So lucky number 4718 won the twin cam. Shane Lyons. So our winners tonight, Brian Buckle won himself the Dyson AirWrap. I think it was Buckley, sorry, I didn't write a Y at the end of that. Brian Buckley won himself the AirWrap, the Dyson AirWrap with lucky number 464. Owen McGovern won himself the Apple Watch with lucky number 843. Paul Sweeney won himself the 1K cash with lucky number 47. Martin Gowan won the Apple Macbook with lucky number 332. Jared Coffey won the drone with lucky number 365. Gina McGoldrick won herself the holiday to Mallorca with lucky number 184. And Shane Lyons won himself the twin cam with lucky number 4718. So congratulations to all our winners. Lads, we have a rake of stuff up on the website. We've a whole heap of stuff on the website. We've another big day on Monday, so you've all weekend to get in and get tickets bought there for that 8210 Series 3. It's unbelievable. It's mint. We've the toolkits going. We've two toolkits going on Monday as well. We've a new shed went up, lads. Check out the new shed. Where is the new shed? God, there's so much stuff here on the website. There it is there on the early bird, 11.97. Sure, who doesn't want a shed? Hey, could be yours for 11.97. We've got that class 2019 Ford Ranger up as well. We've the gorgeous BMW, worth a punt. Where is the BMW? There it is, 3 Series 320D Sport Auto. It's absolutely gorgeous, that BMW. It's absolutely mint. So you can hop in and get a ticket bought for that as well. And it's 2019, this BMW. So it could be yours for 14.97. All the spec is on the website there. I drove it myself. And you could drive it from here to Cork and back, and you wouldn't know you were driving at all, whatever that means. RM Williams kit is in. We've got a quad kit went up yesterday as well. It's a road legal quad with the scraper, the sprayer, the front winch, and it has the topper and the what do you call it, the trailer with it as well. So tow bar on it. And the big bundle, lads, on early bird for 72 hours only. So tomorrow that is coming off early bird. The 6930 John Deere, the 14-ton Volvo, and the brand new twin axle low loader, Brendan Manure, if you're still watching, and the 16-ton dump trailer could be yours for 15.97. So that's it, lads. It's Martin Goff, how it's pronounced, Sally Goff, Martin Goff, but it's spelled Gaughan. So Yeah, okay, Goff. Damon says, I could see the northern lights from the sitting room in the apartment. Good man, Damon. Yeah, he's in Norway. Yeah, I'd love to see the northern lights. This toolbox better come through, so says Core. Well, best of luck. Yeah, there's 2 toolkits going on Monday. That's it, lads. Have a good weekend. As I said, we've something really exciting happening here in the yard tomorrow. I might get a chance to go live. We're going to be very busy. We have a lot of visitors coming to the yard who you might know or might not know, and there's something exciting happening. Anyway, enjoy the rest of your Friday night and don't do anything I wouldn't do, and the best of luck.